Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love listening to music on different devices, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a device on Spotify to listen it. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Settings app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of Bluetooth. Simply tap on it. Now find the device that you want to connect with the Bluetooth. And after finding it, tap on to connect. Now the Bluetooth device is connecting. Now it has been connected to the device. You can simply see. Now go to the Spotify app. Open it. Now you can listen any music on the Bluetooth device. So this is how you add the device on the Spotify to listen the musics that you want to listen. And that's it. Now you know how to add a device to Spotify and easily listen to musics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.